Guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing a little DIY project. I'm doing an IKEA hack today, and for those of you wondering what's an IKEA hack, it's basically just taking a regular piece of furniture from IKEA, maybe something that's kind of plain and very affordable, and turning it into something totally different, or just kind of amping it up a little bit and putting your own twist on it. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm taking this shelf unit that I got about a year ago from IKEA. It's very plain, it was very affordable, it was only $49. And I love it, but it does not go in my new filming room here. So I want to kind of amp it up and make it a little bit girlier, a little bit prettier. So this specific IKEA hack was not my idea or anything. I've seen it all over Pinterest. I've seen it a lot on Instagram, but I definitely wanted to do it for a really long time. So now I'm finally getting around to it. So I really hope you guys enjoy watching this process, maybe get a little inspiration. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so that's it for this IKEA hack video. I really hope you guys liked it, and like I said, got a little bit of inspiration from it. I love the way it turned out. I think it's so pretty, and it's much more my taste now. If you guys have any questions about anything, feel free to go ahead and leave it in the comments below, and let me know what you guys want to see next. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you really soon in my next video.